Okay, hello guys, my name is Elizabeth Jakson. I am 24 years old. I was born in South Africa, in Gauteng. I am one of the students of CRETIL, which is a translation and interpretation center. I'm very happy to talk to you about the translation and interpretation course, which I am also part of it. I did the first level of the translation and interpretation, and I am so happy and so excited to at least explain to you guys a little about the experience I went through. We learned a lot. We spoke about techniques of translation. We spoke about different ways on how to implement certain methods in translation. And I would like to advise you to also come and have an experience at our translation course. I know you would also want to be part of the association of the translation and interpretation industry, which is also very important in our society nowadays. So I advise you to also come, because we have learned a lot and we want you to learn a lot as well. Thank you so much.